Hi everyone, this is the introductory video to my channel Amateur ML, and the purpose of this channel is to post long-form videos about the pragmatic use cases of languages like OCaml. And I think the best place to start is the name of the channel itself, Amateur ML. So amateur, in English at least, has this sort of negative connotation associated with it. It's like the exact opposite of a professional. It's someone who's maybe not that good at something. But if you sort of look at the etymology of the word and its Latin roots, it comes from the words like amar or amor. It's basically someone who loves doing something, who's doing it for its own sake, for their enjoyment of the activity. And programming can be something like that for us programmers, for us developers. And ML is referring to this language from the 1970s called the meta language. And you can sort of imagine it as being the grandfather of many of the languages that we'll cover in this channel, like OCaml, and sort of influencing other languages as well, like Haskell and Rust and so on. Now comes the crux of the question, why should you even care? And I believe you should care because languages in the ML family have a lot of cool features. They're all based on this mathematical concept called the lambda calculus. And what that really means is that the entire language feels very simple and that it has consistent semantics. They're not really languages that have a lot of exceptional or arbitrary behavior. And the languages feel very fluid. It almost feels like you're coding in a scripting language with the guarantees of a powerful static type system that can help you enforce the constraints of your program and rule out many classes of bugs. Now, there are many articles and many videos online that goes deep into why these languages are really cool, and I encourage you to seek those out and sort of discover it for yourself. Now, why this channel? It's because I really believe a language is only as strong as its community. Now, historically, languages like OCaml and Haskell have been very popular with people in the programming language space, people who write compilers for a living or people who do programming language research. Now, what this means is that a lot of the cool knowledge about these languages are hidden away in books and papers or at academic institutions that have a history or focus on programming language research in particular. Now, there's nothing wrong with that, and I implore you and encourage you to go read these books and papers because they're very insightful and very interesting. But frankly, the thing is that a lot of people are not really interested in compilers or they're not really interested in parsers or formal methods or anything along those lines. Now, a lot of us programmers learn by doing. So, what I want the focus of this channel to be is to take projects that even a layman can understand and show you how you might code this up idiomatically in a functional programming language and sort of introduce to you slowly some of the concepts that are prevalent in these languages and hope that you find this interesting and you might introduce some of these concepts in your own code or you might be incentivized to try out these languages for yourself. So yeah, I hope you follow along and please let me know if there's anything you would like to see or if you find any mistakes in these videos, I'd be happy to correct them. And yeah,